this friends thing, I think friend plays a vital role in our life. Either we admit it or not. Sometimes we would like to share feelings with friends instead of family members. Because the friends would be worried about you, but they would not be that worried. So there are secrets safe to be shared with them.
Yeah.
So I think it's necessary, no matter who we are, whether you're single, you're married, or you're divorced. You always bear in mind that giving some time to friends, and no relationship could be built without time being given to each other. So we share this time together, and we discover more about each other. Then we could build maybe tight relationship with each other. That's what I think. 我觉得任何形式的关系都是需要时间的，所以朋友啊、亲人啊、家人都一样。而且有的事情你跟朋友讲，朋友会担心你，但不会像家人那么担心，所以这个时候就需要朋友去适当的发泄一下自己的情绪吧。所以适当的时间投入啊，然后对朋友真诚一点，能帮助我们获得更多的好朋友吧。Okay, that's
Yeah.
my conclusion. 这
Yeah.
就是我的一个结束语。So, Lookman.
Yeah. I think I would just like to elaborate a little on the point that you were talking about just when the show ended. You talked about helping each other when there is in times of crisis or whenever there is a difficult time. I think being there for your friends, during difficult times is very important, because a friendship is like it is a very supportive relationship between two people. Being there for your friends when you can is very important, and it's important to know, does any of your friends need help currently? Is there anything you can help them with, and how can you better support
Oh,
them?
you're
Yeah.
you're
So
suggesting me
yeah.
helping you more.
So when
Okay.
when you help your friends, I think it should not be done with the expectation of being helped next time. I mean, just do it unconditionally. I mean, you do it with your good friends. You don't expect anything back. So we should treat our friends with we should be very generous, and not wanting or getting anything in return. We give to our good friends because we want to, not because you you feel that, or because it is a friendship and you have to. So I think you would be very satisfied when you help others, and I think this is the greatest reward you can get. When you help your friend, and he's grateful, or he's thankful for that. So helping in difficult times, only a true friend, only a good friend would do it. And then my conclusion would be,
Conclusion.
yeah,
Yes.
they say that making friends is easy, making them play together is difficult. So
Ah.
yeah, so making friends is easy. I mean, everyone can do it, but we should make efforts to make sure that the relationship, the friendship, continues for long. So making the effort to stay in touch is important, because at the end of the day, what matters is there needs to be a continuous effort to maintain the friendship. Willingness
Yes.
to make the effort is um, you know uh, it is what differentiates great friends from hi bye friends, like I said in the start. So
Yeah.
asking your friends out every I mean once in a while is also a good thing. I mean, meeting with your friends, not only in your workplace, or in your school or college, going somewhere out, and depending on the I would say intensity of the friendship, there is no need to meet up every few days or once a week. I mean, catching up once a month, or once few months can also be sufficient, because the strength of your friendship or relationship is not measured by how frequently you meet. So I think for some of very good friends, best friends, you would only meet them every few months or maybe half a year, but even then they would never doubt that you are good friends, you are very closely connected, and true friends, good friends will be always there for each other whenever needed. So I think being in touch, and you know making efforts to understand whether what the other friend of yours is going through, and if he needs you, he shouldn't be the one calling you or asking you that, oh, I'm in I'm in need of help. You should realize this, because the bond between you two should be strong enough so that whenever someone is in trouble, the other one understands it without having to say. So yeah, so this is my conclusion. That's it.
OK，Thank you, Lukeman。
You're welcome.
就还是要花时间在